Oxytake, the new revolutionary device that instantly helps reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. It uses magnets to gently open your nasal airways to increase oxygen intake by up to 80%. Unlike flimsy nasal strips or mouth taping, that can be uncomfortable and peel off easily, or even risky during sleep, Oxytake is safe, secure, and stays in place the whole night, even if you toss and turn. If you snore, or have trouble breathing, this device will improve your energy, breathing, and overall sleep quality. Join thousands who are finally enjoying quality sleep. Try Oxytake now, risk-free for 30 days.